Okay, here we go. Nice.
It was Nikola Tesla who stated, "If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." Let's go a bit deeper than that. Everything is energy, and that is all there is to it. Match the frequency of the reality you want, and you cannot help but get that reality. This is not philosophy. This is physics. This is science. The third law of the 7 universal laws tells us that nothing rests, everything moves, everything vibrates. The third and last of the immutable universal laws tells us that the whole universe is but a vibration. Science has confirmed that everything in the universe, including you, is pure energy vibrating at different frequencies. Everything that we experience with our 5 physical senses is conveyed through vibrations. The same applies to the mental realm. Your thoughts are vibrations. All your emotions are vibrations, where unconditional love, in the sense of love for another, is the highest and most subtle of the emotional vibrations, and hate is the densest and most base. You can learn to control your emotions at will. Okay, but how does this apply to the natural world? How can we use this information to our benefit? In the 11th century, a monk known as Guido de Arezzo introduced a scale that would later be known as a solfeggio scale. The 6 tones used on the scale reach back to ancient times, where they were used in Sanskrit chants by Gregorian monks, and all the way back to King David and his harp. These tones and sounds have been proven to be in sync with the natural frequencies and rhythms of the universe and all that is within it. The pure intervals between every note are mathematically related by ratios of small whole numbers, leading to a much purer sound.
Cymatics is the study of visible sound. The word cymatics comes from the Greek root cyma, which means wave or vibration.
We are able to visualize tones and frequencies using cymatics. In the current slide, you can see a distinct geometric shape in the water. Given that humans are made up of mostly water, what effects are these frequencies having on us, on ourselves, on our lives? It's time to dig deeper to find out what's going on. By doing this, I will introduce to you Dr. Masaru Emoto. Now, Dr. Masaru Emoto was a Japanese businessman, an author, and scientist whose experiments appear to prove that human consciousness would affect the molecular structure of water. In his experiments, the water picks up the vibrations caused by the emotions and changes its molecular structure, so that when frozen, it forms crystals which reflect the original emotion. For example, the word love written on a beaker of water causes beautiful symmetrical crystals, while the word hate creates a disintegrated mess. Remember, our skin, our brain, tissues, even our very DNA is made up of water. Imagine the very real implications of this discovery. The unlimited power of frequency and vibration may have also been put to astounding use by our ancestors also. The heaviest stone used to construct the Great Pyramid weighs an astonishing 80 tons. To this day, modern science has been unable to reliably determine how the stones were moved and lifted into position with mathematical precision. There is an account of a Swedish doctor who lived with Tibetan monks for a short while in the late 1930s that may shed some light on how this feat was achieved. As we have learned, everything in the universe is in motion due to the forces and energies that exist in the universe. Gravitational force and electromagnetic force ensure that large objects are in motion, while the weak and the strong nuclear forces ensure the quantum world is constantly in motion. Everything is in motion, and everything that is in motion has a resonant frequency. Match its frequency, and it can be altered and or manipulated. This applies to all systems, be it physical, metaphysical, or paranormal. From objects, bodies, matter particles, matter fields, radiation, radiation particles, radiation fields, curvature and space-time, to consciousness, words, emotions, and thoughts. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God.